Good evening. My name is Ahmed Abdurrahman Sheikh Musa, and this is a demonstration of my data communication network course for today. I will be determining both straight through and crossover Ethernet cable. So what do I have? So what do I need now? What I need is RG for 45 for the both ends of the cable, trimming tool so that to trim it later, uh, a tester, a cable tester, and lastly a Cat6 cable to start communication. What do you need to know about is that when you're making a straight through cable is used to connect dissimilar devices, such as computer to a switch or a router to switch. That's what a straight through. But when you want to connect a crossover, it is mainly used to connect similar devices, such as computer to another computer, a switch to another switch. All right. So those are the tools. So I'm going to go through the first part, which is straight through. So starting with straight through, we have what they call it about 8 holes, which we started from the bottom down up to up. So the first one will be orange and white. Second one will be blind orange. Third one will be green and white. Fourth one will be blue. Then we have blue and white. Then we have blind green. Then you have white and brown. Then you have blind brown. So in that order, so you're just going to put it there. This is the orange. This is the orange and white. This is the blind orange. This is the green and white. So this is the the blue blind. This is the blue. This is the blue. What do you call it? This is the blue and white. This is the blind green. This is the blind green, and this is the brown and white, and lastly blind brown. In that order, we're going to put it all of it. So let me place it. When you have it like this, all put it together in this order, and you have to do it at the same thing to the other side so that both of them will hold it straight through. Then you bring the trimmer, you put it here, then you press so hard so that it can squeeze it, and every one will be it is rolled appropriately. In straight through, after we arranging all of it in the right order, we don't squeeze it like that. When you squeeze, so you already have the thing being placed all in order. So that's the first part you are done. Then you come in for the second part. After we are done from the first part, this is the second one. And remember, we're just doing the same exact thing, arranging in order the colors the way we want it to be straight through. Then you just press. After you press in it, you're going to take it out, and right now by that way you have a straight through cable which can be used for a different devices, which it would be a computer to a router, so a different things. That's now a straight through. Lastly, we bring the cable tester and we make sure we test the both sides if it's working or not. We bring it the first one and we plug it in. It's here, it has been plugged. The second one, we plug it. Then we turn it on. Then with that way we know it is testing, working, yes or no. So that's the way you test. Now we are doing the second part, which is crossover. As you know, crossover is different from straight through, because straight through, when it comes, like the previous procedure we did, we're doing the same procedure here. I already done it, so I don't need to do it again. But here's the twist. In straight through, both sides should be the same. But in crossover, one side should be straight through, the other side should be different from it. And in the way it should be different from it, it's going to have different arrangement of the colors. I'm going to show you next. So let me show you very quick crossover, how it's supposed to be the order. The order will be white and green. Then you take a blind green. Then you take white and orange. Then you take blind blue. Then you're going to take white and blue. Then you're going to take blind, orange, then white, and brown, and lastly brown. So when you have it in that order, you just going to have it, you keep it in the order, you don't mix it up everything, then you just going to place it inside. Make sure all the tables are placed inside in order. So when you place it in order, and right now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to trim it. So I'm just going to bring it, put it here, then frame it is like that. Now you have the frame table. The first one will be a straight over, the second one will be a crossover. Then the last thing we can do is just testing. You're just going to bring the first cable on the first side, then you bring the second one. We're going to test it. We have the first one going in, and you have the second one. So right now you're just going to turn it on, then you're going to test, and right now you have to both sides like that.